and welcome to Cover on a Hook. My name is Anne, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make this headband. It's designed for everyday wear. Let's jump into it. For materials I'm using Yarn Art jeans. It's number 2 fine yarn. The recommended hook is 3.5 millimeter. And the cover is 83. We will start the pattern with a slip knot and a chain of 105. I recommend that you place the chain and test if it fits well. I have a small demo chain. Yours must be a lot longer. The pattern uses only one stitch and you place it on each chain. The stitch is done like this. You yarn over, you insert your hook in the chain, you pull up a loop, and this same loop you pull through the other two chains. Now you have one stitch, and again yarn over, pull up a loop, and this same loop pull through the other two. The first row is a little bit harder to do, but when you have more rows you'll see that it's becoming easier to stitch. We will continue like this until we reach the last chain. Okay, I'm in the last chain here. What I'm going to do is chain 1 and turn my work, and then for the rest of the pattern you do the same stitch but only in the back loop. Here I will yarn over, insert my hook only in the back loop, pull up a loop, and that same loop I will pull to the other two loops. Yarn over in the back chain, pull up a loop, and pull that loop. The headband is 7 rows wide. If you want it to be wider, what you can do is add 2 more rows, or in other words you aim for an odd number of rows, and when you rotate it you can see that this is the back and this is the front side of the headband. It starts with this nice V-shaped rib and it ends with this element. For the joining of these two parts I like to flip it so the front, the right side, is facing each other and the hook is on my right. And now what I can do is select the first here at the beginning someplace and pull a loop like this, and then I'll continue to poke to both of these and do a slip stitch. From time to time I like to align them so they don't move, both parts. Slip stitch, a slip stitch, align them again. Here try to insert your hook in the same place on both sides. Here, here, and right here I'll catch one last. Then I'll do one chain and pull. Now you can cut a long tail like this much and flip it, and your headband will be ready.